The major benefits of the B-320 FlexTec is the consistency, the constant flow of finished part sizes through a system like this. Our customers are typically producing anywhere from 1,200 to 1,600 parts per shift is about what they can count on. It's very consistent throughout the day. The customers can literally walk out the door, leave the compressors on, leave the extraction system on, the job's already in, and the saw continues to produce and create pallets of finished parts. So when they walk in the next morning, they roll those pallets out, they carry them over their edge banders, and they begin edge banding, machining, construction automatically. So you're actually gaining a shift for companies that don't run around the clock. Usually the limiting factor on who a FlexTec customer is usually the perception of the customer themselves going, I'm not big enough, this is new technology, this is new automation, it's scary. Once they realize it, they go, man, I wish I would have done this 5 years ago. Our customers are not operating a saw and robot. They're not there with a teach pennant day in and day out, plotting coordinates. They're literally hitting the go button. They dump the production data into the panel saw and the store tech, and off it goes, feeding panels, creating rectangles and squares, labeling the parts with correct information and putting the parts downstream so that the rest of production knows what to do with it. Stiles Machinery executes well. Every time we put one of these systems in, it's because we've done all the data, we've done all the science behind it. We realize that we're manufacturing against a world economy of manufacturers. So we have to make our competitors strong and efficient in their local communities, in their cities, so they can service the regions they're responsible for.